Tuscany and Emilia-Romagna regions in Italy have experienced severe flooding due to heavy rainfall, leading to widespread disruptions. The Arno River, which flows through Florence and Pisa, reached dangerous levels, prompting authorities to close schools, museums, cinemas, and theaters in Florence as a precautionary measure. In Sesto Fiorentino, a town near Florence, the Rimaggio stream overflowed, flooding central streets and causing significant damage. Local authorities urged residents to stay indoors, avoid using vehicles, and move to higher floors in their homes to ensure safety.
No!
Il torrente ora è diventato enorme, io ho paura.
The Emilia-Romagna region, which includes cities such as Forlì, Ravenna, Bologna and Ferrara, also faced severe flooding as multiple rivers surpassed alert levels. In Bologna, authorities evacuated ground floor residences to minimize risks associated with rising waters.
Ragazzi, qualcuno mi sa che mi deve ospitare a casa, in qualche modo.
Emergency measures included closing bridges, enforcing national civil protection mobilization, and deploying response teams. In Pisa, the Arno River reached a critical height of 3.75 meters, leading to bridge closures and heightened monitoring to prevent further damage. The floods are particularly alarming as Emilia-Romagna had already suffered devastating floods in previous years, resulting in significant casualties and severe agricultural losses. This recurrence raises concerns about the region's flood preparedness and resilience.
Abbiamo 1,5 metri di acqua in casa, non abbiamo corrente, il numero di telefono che ha dato a disposizione il comune dei Campi Bisenzio non funziona, non ci rispondono. Non sappiamo veramente cosa fare, è un bello schifo.
Madonna Claudio, come si fa?
The heavy rainfall has also severely impacted rail infrastructure, with several railway lines in Tuscany being shut down, including Florence-Borgo S. Lorenzo and Firenze-Pisa Livorno. Authorities announced that road conditions have worsened, making it impossible to provide alternative bus services.
Guardate che lavoro, la strada qui non esiste più, Ponte a Vicchio. Il fiume ha straboccato, una piena tremenda.
Nos hemos quedado ahí aislados. El río se ha salido. Han llegado los bomberos.
The most critical situations in Tuscany are reported in the provinces of Florence, Pisa and Livorno, with emergency teams monitoring the Arno River closely. In Empoli, authorities have closed bridges over the Arno and are considering evacuating the lower floors of the hospital.
L'acqua è profonda, vedi, sta travolgendo le macchine. Troppo profondo per passare.
In Rufina, the Sieve River has overflowed, forcing the closure of the Monte Bonello Bridge. Volunteers are actively working in Pontasieve and Dicomano, where some communities have been cut off due to rising floodwaters. Emergency shelters have been set up for affected residents. In Pisa, 30 people were evacuated in Montopoli Valdarno, and further evacuations are underway in flood-prone areas. The Rio Lena overflowed in Vico Pisano, leading to road closures and disruptions in Castelfranco and nearby towns.
La situazione di Ponte a Vicchio, prima di arrivare al semaforo, guardate la strada non c'è più. Proprio andata via e sta sempre, il livello sta sempre salendo. Io
¿Qué tal inundación? El puente Vicchio de allá, ese es el puente Vicchio. Todo el puente se ha rebalsado, como jamás en la historia en Italia, en el tiempo que estoy.
The province of Livorno is also facing significant challenges, with evacuations taking place in Collesalvetti due to flooding from the Tora River. Authorities have closed major roads, including the Aurelia Highway near Quercianella, due to severe water accumulation.
Más de 20 años, jamás ha habido una inundación tan fuerte como ahora. Prácticamente estamos nadando en agua. Guarda, ve las casas de mis vecinos. Nos hemos quedado ahí.
Prato is on high alert as several minor rivers, including the Bardena, have risen to critical levels. Emergency teams evacuated a family and are monitoring at-risk areas. In Poggio a Caiano, rescue teams helped free employees trapped in a flooded business.
Stamattina quando sono arrivato fino al semaforo, che era tutto bello pulito. Ora sono l'una e qualcosa e non c'è più la strada. Un vero disastro, sta sempre aumentando.
Authorities have extended the red alert for Tuscany, with restrictions remaining in place until further assessments. In Sesto Fiorentino, all activities, including businesses, sports facilities, and public offices, have been suspended. Only essential services like pharmacies remain operational. Rainfall is expected to continue, with emergency services prepared for further developments. Residents are advised to remain vigilant, follow official instructions, and avoid flood-prone areas until conditions improve. Authorities are closely monitoring water levels to prevent further disasters.
Qui è San Piero a Ponti, in via Carlo Alberto Dalla Chiesa. Questa è la situazione di stamattina, che è uguale identica a quella di ieri. Qui non si è fatto vivo nessuno, né soccorsi, né pompieri, né protezione civile.